Again, my name is Holly Miller and I'm with Country Road Crafts, and tonight I am going to do Magnolia Design Stencil with Dixie Belle paint. Did it earlier, worked out wonderful, loved it. So I painted the front of the door, I painted it golden yellow. I have got chocolate, and I got me a dabber. And I got me a dish so I can wipe off so I don't have so much paint on it. So, here we go. I'm going to take a little bit of paint. I'm going to wipe some off, and I'm just going to dab it on here. Just like you would do a regular stencil, not the chalk paste, but a regular stencil, just dab it. So I'm just going to go through and dab it. Just keep, oh, Frank, they can't see. Can you tilt it down a little? Maybe? Oh. Yay, yes, perfect. Thank you. So I'm just going to dab it. We are making a Queen Bee, a 15 by 15. I'm putting it on the front of the door. I am using Dixie Belle chocolate with a dabber. Just tap, tap, tap. Trying to get paint, and I'm going to dab it off, dip it in the paint and just dab it off so it's not thick. So I'm just going to go around. Takes a few minutes to cover it off. The 15 by 15 is a big one. I love this stencil. Queen Bee. So I'm just going to keep dabbing it until it's all covered. Making sure I get a good coverage. So if there's like a light spot, I'm going to make sure I go back and try to get a little more paint on that. So I'm just going to keep going all the way around. This is going to go onto a buffet. Frank found an antique buffet, needed a little work to it. He worked on it. We took off the veneer that was peeling, so we took that off. I painted it, we sanded it. And this stencil is going to be a wonderful addition to the front of that cabinet. And you can see where I tried to feel, there's a spot right there. I tried to cover it with this, just dabbing it. Don't rub it back and forth, just up and down, up and down. So keep going. And you can see that this is light, this is dark, it's covered. I'm going to keep dabbing, almost done. I got a little bit over here on the side still. Oop, got a little bit too much paint on that one. So I'm definitely going to make sure I get some of that off of there. And again, this is Dixie Belle paint. This is not the chalk paste. When I signed up for Magnolia Design Company, the reason I signed up with them is because I can use it with the Dixie Belle. I like it. Okay, I'm going to ask Frank to come over and help me lift this up because it's big. And we're going to pull from the corners. Oh, wow. You guys see that? I'm going to turn it around. Look how beautiful. So I have two matching doors They were just plain doors. The veneer was peeling off of them. We cleaned off the veneer, and then this beautiful, beautiful Magnolia Design Stencil with Dixie Belle paint. When it dries, I'm going to seal it. I'm going to seal it with some gator hide to make sure it's good to go. We may distress it a little bit. Not sure yet, but it is very, very, very cute. And that was easy. We did the other one earlier. It turned out beautiful. I'm excited. You hit the button. Boop. There we go. Hello. So we did the other one earlier. It turned out wonderful. Now we have two matching doors with a beautiful stencil on it, and I'm so excited. You definitely can use it with Dixie Belle. I did these two stencils last week. They're beautiful. I choose Joy. I was thinking about Philia when I did these with the bright, shiny colors. Those are done with the top paste. I did this one today. Can you see that? I'm not adulting today, and tomorrow doesn't look good either. I thought about Philia with that one too. She's getting ready to graduate college. I'm so excited. Okay, and this one is called Country Roads Take Me Home. I got that in this week, and this is a stencil that you layer. So I did the bottom layer earlier so it would dry. So to do the layers, you have to do the first layer, let it dry, and then layer the second one on. So I'm going to go ahead and do the second layer real quick for you guys. I'm just going to set it over top of the other one. Turn around, like that. I cut it like this. Okay. So I'm going to try to line it up a little bit. Try. Okay, and then I'm going to take gray paste. This is paste. And I'm going to just put some paste on that to add a layer. Quickly, quickly. You guys may see Finn. He's in here checking everything out. Finn the Wonder Pup. What did you call him?
Wonder Mutt.
Oh, the Wonder Mutt. I'm sorry. Finn the Wonder Mutt. So I'm just doing what I do with the stencils. Just put a little bit of the paste on, covering it up like we do normal. I put the first layer on, let it dry. I probably let it dry about an hour just because I'm paranoid. And I'm putting gray on. Go scrape the excess. I got these at Harbor Freight. They're awesome. Just saying. I'm going to lift it up. I can get a hold of it. There we go. Ah, beautiful. Beautiful. There's a truck. Look at that. With the little thing on the back, layering. We'll probably work on that a little bit more, but that's the first time I ever did layering. Okay, guys. Thank you. The Queen Bee Stencil is what I used on the doors, and those are from Magnolia Design Company. This one's called Farm Truck from Magnolia Design Company. I use Dixie Belle paint. I need you guys to like, share, and follow us on Country Road Crafts so we can get some more viewers. And join us next time. I'm not sure what we're going to do, but it's going to be fun. Thanks and have a great day.